Today, we're exploring the latest rumors surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, with a particular emphasis on its groundbreaking new chip, potentially named the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Let's unpack the details. Over the past few years, Samsung has consistently equipped its Ultra series smartphones with top-tier custom Snapdragon chips, establishing devices like the Galaxy S23 Ultra as formidable players in the high-end smartphone arena. As we approach 2024, there's a lot of anticipation for the Galaxy S25 Ultra to incorporate Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy. However, fresh reports indicate that Qualcomm may be introducing a new designation, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. How did this information surface? It seems that Qualcomm is preparing to launch its next flagship processor under this updated branding. This leak appears credible, particularly in light of Qualcomm's recent innovations with custom CPU cores named Oron, developed after their acquisition of Nuvia. If you follow tech news, you might be aware that Qualcomm has already integrated these Oron cores into the Snapdragon X Elite chip designed for ARM-based Windows laptops. Now, it looks like Qualcomm is ready to transfer this Elite branding from laptops to mobile chips. The Snapdragon X Elite has already made significant waves in the laptop market, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite aims to replicate that success in smartphones. With a combination of Oron CPU cores and TSMC's advanced 3nm fabrication technology, this chip is expected to compete with top processors, including Apple's A18 Pro, which powers the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Early benchmarks suggest that the Snapdragon 8 Elite could match the single-core performance of the A18 Pro and may even outperform it in multi-core tests. Moreover, the Adreno 830 GPU in the Snapdragon 8 Elite is anticipated to be over 50% more powerful than the GPU in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This upgrade is particularly significant for mobile gaming and high-performance applications. Qualcomm appears to be positioning itself to lead the mobile chip market, and this new processor could significantly boost the competitiveness of Android flagship devices like the Galaxy S25 Ultra against Apple's lineup. If these leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to offer remarkable performance enhancements thanks to the Oron CPU cores and the powerful Adreno 830 GPU, which promise increased speed and efficiency. However, an important question remains: how will this chip perform under prolonged usage? While it seems to be a powerhouse, we need to assess its real-world stability during demanding tasks, such as gaming or intensive multitasking. Fortunately, we won't have to wait long for clarity. Qualcomm is expected to unveil the Snapdragon 8 Elite at the Snapdragon Summit 2024 next month, so keep an eye out for further updates. Will Samsung implement the Snapdragon 8 Elite across the entire S25 series? Only time will tell. But it's clear that the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be among the first to feature this advanced chip. As we move into 2024, it's evident that flagship smartphones are set to become more thrilling than ever. What are your thoughts on the Snapdragon 8 Elite rumors? Share your opinions in the comments below, and stay tuned for more exciting news, including updates on Samsung's forthcoming foldable devices.